What's up guys, welcome to Apex, thanks for tuning in. Samsung has finally started rolling out the brand new update for Galaxy S25 series. I got the S25 Ultra here in India and have received the update. This is the security patch for November 2025. In the US, Europe and many other countries, you would have already received the update. So in this video, let's go ahead and check this update out and let's see how is the phone performing here. Now let's go to the settings here. Let's scroll down and tap on software update. I'll tap on download and install. As you can see, the security patch is for November 2025. Size is marginally bigger here this time. It's 569.89 MB and the security of the device has been improved. You can see the changelog here. It is clean and simple. It doesn't talk about any new features. It only says the security of the device has been improved. The device is protected with improved security. Now let me go ahead and resume the update. Since it is seamless update for the S25 series, it will get installed in the background. Meanwhile, what we will do is we will go to the settings and tap on About Phone and Software Information and tap on Android Security Patch Level. Now this will take you to the Google website where you can see what exactly has been fixed here. Let me just tap on Android Security Bulletin and I'll scroll down and select Samsung. Here, let me just scroll down. You can see the November patch details are mentioned. We've got about 2 critical vulnerabilities which have been fixed. There are many high vulnerabilities and moderate none. And let me show you something interesting here. Let me scroll down. Here there is something very important which is fixed. This particular vulnerability is under insecure default configuration in USB connection mode. And here it says, Release 1 allows privileged physical attackers to access user data. User interaction is required for triggering this vulnerability. The patch changes default USB connection mode. So that's an important fix. And you can also see here, out of bounds, write in handling opcode in fingerprint trustlet. Now, I do not know exactly what is this all about. I'll have to probably Google it, but you can see there is a fix for this as well. It says release 1 allows local privileged attackers to write out of bounds memory. The patch adds proper validation logic. Likewise, there are many vulnerabilities which will be fixed with these kind of updates. So you need to make sure that you keep your device up to date. If you're thinking that these security patches are not really important, then you're wrong. Every time you get a security update, it fixes many vulnerabilities. It patches many vulnerabilities, which is very, very important. Otherwise, the attackers can hack your phone and steal all the data from your phone. So that's important to note here. Now, likewise, you can go through all the other patches that we have got for November 2025. Now, let's go ahead and install the update and let's see how is the phone performing. Let me tap on Restart Now. Alright, now I just restarted the phone and the device has been updated. Now the first thing that we need to do is go to the Galaxy Store and check for the application updates. Let's see if there is anything new here. No, there is nothing new. Now let's go to the settings here and go to the security and privacy and tap on updates, and you can see Google Play System update is for September 2025. Let's tap on this. Let's see if we have got the October Google Play System update. No, it says your device is up to date. It's still on September Google Play System update. We should have received the October update by now, but we haven't got it yet. Once we get it, I will keep you guys posted. Now let's go back. Let's open a few applications and let's see if the phone is performing well. Let's start with the phone dialer, clock, calculator, settings, calendar, gallery, Google Play Store, X. You can see S25 Ultra is so seamless, so fast and so responsive. There is no stutter or lag or any issues at all. Let's open the quick panel here. As you can see, notifications and the quick panel, no issues at all here. Let's go to the recent application. Let's check out the animation here. Works perfectly fine. So the update seems to be good. The battery performance we will get to know once we start using the device. Probably in the next couple of days we will see how is the performance of the battery. I'm sure the battery performance is pretty good on most of your S25 series devices. Let me know your thoughts about that in the comment section. And while I'm doing this video, let's quickly check if we have got the update for the Galaxy S24 series. This is the S24 Ultra I've got here. Let me go to the software update, tap on download and install. Let's see if we have received the update for the S24 series here in India. Nope, we haven't got it yet on my device, but I saw some reports where people have mentioned that the update is available for the S24 series, but at the moment I don't see this update on my S24 Ultra, and I haven't checked my S23 Ultra since my wife is using that device. I don't have it with me right now, but I will definitely check it and update you guys if you have got the update for those two devices. Now this is something which I wanted to share with you guys. Hope you have already downloaded our wallpaper application Wallverse. We are currently running an offer here. The lifetime membership is available at 50% discount. If you haven't grabbed it yet, go ahead. This is the right time for you to buy the lifetime subscription on Wallverse. There are some fantastic collections available, both premium and free wallpapers. The free version runs with ads and you cannot unlock the collections. If you buy the subscription, you can unlock all the collections and you can run the application ad free. So go ahead, check it out. The link is in the description. Hope you're subscribed to the channel. If you want to stay updated with everything that's happening with your Galaxy phones, be sure to subscribe. Hit the like button if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.